Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Royal Knowledge and Royal Secret. Chapter 9, Shloka 14. Always glorifying me, striving firm in vows, prostrating before me, and always steadfast, they worship me with devotion.
Chapter 9, Shloka 14. Satatam kirtayanto maam yatantascha tridhavrataha namasyantascha maam bhaktya nityayukta upasate.
Chapter 9, Shloka 14. How do the great souls worship the self? There are two approaches for self-integration and self-development: single-pointed devotion and selfless activity undertaken in the true yagna spirit, which lead to the final path of knowledge. Once the mind appreciates the ideal which the intellect points, then it finds joy to adore with reverence and devotion and sing its glories at all times continuously. Our concept of God decides how much effort we can pour. Hence, a clear idea about God is very essential to protect us from the temptations by the false. A firm resolve to reject the false and to walk the path of the real is necessary. Bowing down to the self should not be understood as a physical act. It implies detachment and surrender of all false identification with the matter envelopments. Discrimination between the container and the content, the milk bottle and the milk must remain fresh and available. Detachment from unreal is only part understanding, unless it is completed by attachment with the real in devotion. Devotion is measured by identification one has with the beloved. Devotion required is unalloyed love for the self. With a single pointed mind, when the seeker meditates till ultimately he discovers his identity with the self, is true devotion. In the path of knowledge, there are no rituals, but you have in your understanding a constant flow of thoughts of the self as the substratum of everything, everywhere, till the egocentric life ends in the divine life. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.